the beauty of the forest. A forest is a large area covered with trees and plants. It is a place full of life and wonder. Forests are home to many animals and plants. They are important to our planet and play a big role in keeping the environment healthy. This essay will talk about the beauty of forests, the animals and plants that live there, and why we should protect them. First, let's talk about the beauty of the forest. Forests are peaceful and quiet. When you walk in a forest, you can hear the birds singing and the wind blowing through the trees. The air is fresh, and the smell of the trees is calming. Many people visit forests to relax and enjoy nature. The tall trees provide shade, and the sunlight that shines through the leaves creates a beautiful view. The forest is like a natural painting with different shades of green and brown. The sight of a forest can make people feel peaceful and connected to nature. Forests are also beautiful because of the variety of life they hold. There are different types of forests around the world. Some are tropical, with warm weather and lots of rain. Others are temperate, with cool weather and different seasons. Each type of forest has its own unique beauty. In a tropical forest, you will see tall trees with large leaves, colorful birds, and bright flowers. In a temperate forest, the leaves change color in the fall, creating a beautiful scene of red, orange, and yellow. Now, let's talk about the animals that live in the forest. Forests are home to many different types of animals. In a forest, you can find birds, insects, mammals, and reptiles. Some common forest animals include deer, squirrels, and rabbits. Birds like owls, eagles, and woodpeckers make their nests in the trees. Many animals rely on the forest for food and shelter. For example, deer eat plants and leaves, while squirrels gather nuts and seeds. In tropical forests, you can find monkeys, tigers, and colorful birds like parrots. These animals live high in the trees or on the forest floor. The forest provides everything they need to survive. Many animals are adapted to life in the forest. They have special skills or features that help them live in this environment. For example, some birds have strong beaks to break open nuts, while some animals are good at climbing trees. Forests are also home to many different plants. Trees are the most important plants in a forest. They grow tall and provide food and shelter for animals. Some common trees in forests are oak, pine, and maple. Each type of tree has its own characteristics. Some trees have thick bark to protect them from the weather, while others have long roots to help them get water. In addition to trees, forests have many other plants, like ferns, moss, and flowers. These plants grow on the forest floor in the shade of the trees. Flowers like wildflowers add color to the forest. They bloom in the spring and summer, making the forest look even more beautiful. Some plants are useful to people too. Many medicines come from plants found in the forest. The forest also plays an important role in keeping our environment healthy. Trees help clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. This helps reduce pollution and makes the air cleaner for us to breathe. Forests also help control the climate by providing shade and cooling the air. They also prevent soil erosion by holding the soil together with their roots. When it rains, forests help absorb the water, which reduces the risk of floods. Forests are also important for the water cycle. They help store water and release it slowly into rivers and lakes. This keeps the water clean and helps provide water for people, animals, and plants. Without forests, the earth would be much hotter and drier. Unfortunately, many forests are in danger. People cut down trees to make room for farms, roads, and cities. This is called deforestation. When forests are destroyed, many animals lose their homes. The air becomes more polluted because there are fewer trees to clean it. The climate also changes because there are fewer trees to help cool the air. Deforestation is a big problem, and we need to find ways to stop it. There are many things we can do to protect forests. First, we need to stop cutting down so many trees. Instead of destroying forests, we can plant new trees. This is called reforestation. Planting trees helps replace the ones that were cut down. It takes time for new trees to grow, but it is an important step in protecting forests. We can also protect forests by creating national parks and protected areas. These are places where people are not allowed to cut down trees or harm the environment. In these areas, animals and plants can live safely without being disturbed. Many countries have national parks where people can visit and enjoy the beauty of the forest while also helping to protect it. Another way to protect forests is to use resources carefully. We can use less paper and wood by recycling and reusing materials. This helps reduce the demand for cutting down trees. Many companies are also trying to be more environmentally friendly by using sustainable practices. This means they make sure to replace the trees they cut down. Education is also important. When people learn about the importance of forests, they are more likely to take steps to protect them. Schools, governments, and environmental groups can all help raise awareness about the importance of forests and what we can do to protect them. In conclusion, forests are beautiful and important places. They provide a home for many animals and plants, help keep the environment healthy, and give us a place to enjoy nature. However, forests are in danger due to deforestation. It is important that we take steps to protect forests by planting new trees, creating protected areas, and using resources carefully. By working together, we can help ensure that forests remain a vital part of our planet for future generations to enjoy.